How to fix videos keep pausing on Android. This tutorial shows you how to troubleshoot and stop videos from randomly pausing on your Android device. First, check your internet connection and make sure you're on a strong and stable Wi-Fi or mobile data network, as a weak connection is the most common reason videos keep pausing or buffering. After that, try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the issue is tied to a specific network. From there, close all background apps that are running on your device, as too many apps running at once can slow down performance and cause videos to pause. At this point, go to your home screen and long press on the app you're using to watch videos and tap on App Info. In the next step, tap on Storage and then tap on Clear Cache to remove any corrupted temporary files that may be interrupting playback. Following this, go back and check if your device storage is running low. If your storage is almost full, it can significantly affect how smoothly videos play. Once done, open the Google Play Store and check if the app you're using has a pending update. If so, tap Update and wait for it to finish installing. From here, also check if your device has a pending software update by going to Settings and tapping on Software Update. At this stage, if an update is available, tap Download and Install and restart your phone once it's done. After this, go back to the video app and test if the pausing issue has been resolved. Finally, if videos are still pausing, try lowering the video quality inside the app settings, as playing videos at a lower resolution puts less strain on your connection and device. And that's it. If this Android guide helped you fix your video pausing issue, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.